You have 60 minutes to remove your eyeball, or else all of your limbs will be severed.
Can I just say, thank you so much, because this has been a much-needed break after the week I've had.
I'm sorry, what?
So basically, my mother-in-law is in town and insisted on staying with me and my husband, even though we offered to pay for her hotel room, but she wanted to spend more quality time with her baby boy. But she did say she would happily pay for a hotel room for me, so the two of them could have some more intimate bonding time.
She did not.
Oh, she did. And for the past 4 days, she has been criticizing everything that I do. She's taken over my kitchen so that he can have a proper meal for
And
once.
your husband didn't defend you during any of this?
He's trying to keep the peace.
Sounds like he could use a backbone. Maybe he could find one among the dozens of corpses I have in the back room. You know what? Screw it. I got 2 bottles of Chardonnay in the back. Should we be bad?
You know what? Let's be bad.
Okay,
Let's be bad.
Let's do it. Let's be bad.